Whether it's on walls, floors, furniture or accessories, black is fast replacing grey as the go-to trend colour. Black might be a daring choice, but it's much more versatile than you would think, as it has the ability to completely transform space in an instant, either giving it a cool modern edge or adding a smart classic touch. Decorating with black doesn't mean you'll end up with a dark, gloomy room. Contrary to belief, using black enhances the structure of a room and can work in any space. In this living room, we've used black on walls, floors and architecture, and added punches of colour with furniture and accessories to create a room full of drama and style. Black is a fantastic foundation as a backdrop, as it enhances the colours and shapes against it and will naturally make the colours pop out for the ultimate glam. Black carpet looks extremely sumptuous and stylish. However, it does require a bit of work to keep it looking its best, as it tends to show every speck of dust. So unless you're really relaxed or love vacuuming, perhaps think again when it comes to a solid black carpet, and instead go for a busy pattern which will hide a multitude of sins. If black is dominant in the space and you fancy a splash of colour contrast, you could inject a bold shade such as this deep red to create visual interest and depth. Try using it in an interesting and unexpected way. We've added a simple block shape on the wall which ties in with the lamp on the desk to unite the space and give it a curated look. Black wood flooring is naturally chic and smart. In this kitchen diner we've picked oak engineered wood, which is not only a classic good looking choice, but is also hard wearing and easy to maintain. Painting a feature wall in a toning shade of black carries the colour up into the room and frames the fireplace. We've added a fun focal point too, with a quirky display of Staffordshire dogs. When it comes to setting a moody vibe in the bedroom, there's nothing quite like black for an alluring and restful result. Black, surprisingly, is a great remedy for decorating rooms with little daylight, so use this to your advantage and dive in with dark floors and walls to create a cosy cocoon. Black can be used in any room, so work a little black magic. You just need to be brave and embrace it with a passion.